Okay, hey guys, Starwoven back. And as you see, I was in the video shocking my robots, ton of subscribers and everything. He's a good friend. I'm here to show you my house in Darkcraft. I've mentioned this many times, but yeah. Darkcraft's a great server. Darkcraft.net is its IP. Remember, it's limited to 40 players, so all you bajillion fans are gonna watch me out there. It's unlimited to 40. I'm kidding, you guys probably won't leave me watch this. Not to get myself down, but to be honest, it's on more of the timing. You know, I haven't been on for that long, so yeah. Anyways, I'll show you when it's in your house. Very basic house, lot of chests, furnace, you know, crafting table, and the wheat farm here. But mainly, I'm not gonna show you just this Darkcraft house. Not mainly just this house. They're actually gonna tell you about my server. So let's go on my server. So I did do that help video about the plugins. I have a lot of plugins, in fact. But so yeah, just a normal server, nothing really big or anything. That's why I need you guys to come in. I have 2 OP or admin positions up and running. First come, first serve. Don't worry, I'm not going to be like if somebody's famous. Let's say like Captain Sparkles comes in. You know, sorry dude, if you were a third person, I can't let you be admin. But for mods, currently I'm going to be doing only admins, no mods or anything. My advisor or the co-owner is going to be, here we go, Mujala. Mujala, you can see him online. He's a great, funny guy, but he's more one of those crazy guys who he does stuff like he kills all your stuff and everything he doesn't give it back. Please report it to me. I'll believe you guys over him. He's very crazy. But he is very smart in technology, and yeah. I was currently online in Darkcraft, and I don't remember her username, but if you guys ever watch my videos and ever want to know a YouTuber who needs maybe a little bit more views or anything, it's FlexiVlogs1. One word, FlexiVlogs1. Seem nice and everything. You want to add me on Skype? Yeah. For my Skype username, if you guys want it, it's Starwoven capital S. Capital S and Star. I just made it today because I was bored and I had nothing else to do. But don't call me, please, because I'm not gonna pay money. As you hear, I do have a microphone, but bro, I might talk to you if you paid, but I'm not gonna talk to some random people. But yeah, I do need extra staff. Please, extra staff is much appreciated on this server. But yeah, I do have a lot of plugins. Let's just say for admins, I will let them do a lot of things. Not that much easier. A lot of things like mob disguise. That's just one of the feeling that I've installed in this. But yeah, if you guys ever see me and I look like this, okay, some fake Star Wars ones. They just wanna be wolves, okay, bros? Okay. No, you guys aren't bros. I say bro to almost anything. Yeah, if you guys wanna know, currently, you guys are all Wolverines. Wolverines are official Star Wars. Yay, subscribers. How many do I have? Oh yeah, maybe 0? Come on guys, subscribe to me. It's so bad. I'm an awesome guy. Well, I'm very greedy, aren't I? I'm currently a big fan of like every single YouTuber, you name it, bro. You name it. But yeah, go subscribe to FlexiVlogs1. Every week will be doing a new YouTuber or something like that. It's I'm limited just to my computer and recording, so don't expect me to show my face. Unless probably it gets pretty high, you know, unless I'm pretty loved. Then I'll probably make it like probably violent just for you guys. But I'm saying list-wise everything, I can't show you my army without a camera. So I'm sorry, but I can tell you what I have. Maybe not now because I have 6 minutes to do it. Yeah, as you can see, the banner up there is currently Bandicam. I don't want to use Fraps or anything. I'd rather just use Bandicam because it's better. You know, it's actually the only one who actually records for me. Sorry, I do kind of have a little bit of a stutter. If you guys hear me when you talk. subscribe. It's not gonna take you very long, to be honest. Check out Lexi Vlogs 1. Lexi Vlogs 1, all one word. She needs more views and more subscribers. Definitely. Again, Lexi Vlogs 1. Also, check out my friend, Shocking Red Robot. Shocking Red Robot, all one word. And whoever disliked the video that I was in, fine, be that way. I don't care. Maybe you're not loved. No, I'm kidding. I'm not crying. But, yeah. Whoever disliked that video, good job for keeping it real, bro. Good job for keeping it real. Not everybody loves what I do. People are just jealous. No, I'm kidding. Well, yeah. See you guys later. Hope you subscribe. Goodbye.